Good morning. We are packing up at our Airbnb right now to head to Singapore. We're leaving our place in Georgetown, Malaysia right now. We're actually quite sad because this Airbnb has been so nice. Here's been cleaning up, getting everything ready to go, but this place is so nice. We've had so much space. Which is rare. We have like this whole kitchen area and a couch that folds out in a bed with a TV with Netflix. And then over here is the bedroom, and this view is crazy. So we've got quite a nice view of the city and the mountains, and it goes like all the way over here. So that has been quite nice. And then we have the bathroom. We've enjoyed it, feeling a little bit sad, but we are excited to get to Singapore. Our last 5 countries have been repeat countries that we've already been to, which is fine. We wanted to go and visit again, but we are excited to head somewhere new. So let's go to Singapore.
Yes. Ready to go to Singapore. Sitting here, I'm rating our Grab driver 5 stars. We always get 5 stars pretty much.
Your skin is literally, it's like glistening right now. It looks so good.
It's from my skincare mask that I did, that I've been doing actually. I've done it twice now, 2 nights in a row. So.
Wow, does mine look like that?
Yeah, it does actually.
Maybe it's this lighting. It's like so shiny, but we made it to the gate. We're just waiting to board the plane now.
There's apparently 2 flights to Singapore, back to back, so it's kind of confusing. There's a lady standing there, and you can't get into the security gate area, I guess, unless you're on the other Singapore flight. So I'm sure it's very confusing because they got two flights going to Singapore at the same gate, literally an hour apart. Ours is supposed to board in 20 minutes here, so I guess they're just gonna let everybody flood in all at once. All the gate lights flood in all at once. Made it through. Got to do the extra security. Get ready to board. Go to Singapore to see the fountain.
Welcome to Singapore. We're here.
We made it.
We made it. The flight was not bad. It was like an hour. And we are about to get a, what is that, Grab?
Yeah, Grab.
Grab. We're gonna get a Grab to our hotel. We're feeling a little bit, normally we take the train and do public transportation, but we did not really sleep much last night. We had to get up for our flight, so feeling a little bit tired and splurging on the Grab because sometimes it's like that. So
Splurging on comfort.
we're excited to see Singapore and check it out. The airport is really nice. We're not going over to the Jewel or that area yet. I think we're going to do it when we're flying out. But from what we've seen of the airport, it's very nice. Ready to see more of Singapore.
Express truck here.
Yes. Made it into the hotel, and we got a free drink and got welcome points. Normally they only give you one or the other, but we got both this time, so heck yeah.
Doors opening. Level 5. Doors opening.
The AC on.
Yeah, feels good. Alright. This is a nice place. Ooh, look at that shower.
Is that nice?
Yeah.
This is our room. Let's check it out. We're at the, what's this?
Holiday Inn Express Clark Key.
So we got this little space. Uh-oh. The lights turned off. Oh, I guess you gotta put the key in. Love that. Got this little coffee area fridge over here. Got space for our backpacks. Got space to take our shoes off. And, ooh, bathroom is nice. Got a shower. Good shower head. Hopefully good water pressure. And, oh, there's a little luggage thing in there. And the room. Let's see the view. Wow, lots of, whoa, I got whacked in the head with that. Lots of construction,
Wow,
but
yeah.
a nice view.
Yeah, really nice view to see. Oh my
What a
gosh, cool. You can
great
see the, thing up there.
day. Oh man, it's so
That's cool.
blue. You can see what thing?
What's that thing called?
Oh,
famous
you
thing?
can see,
It's like a boat up there.
I can't
It's
remember, what is that called?
I can't remember either.
Oh man, I know it because it's in Crazy Rich Asians at the end of the movie
Yeah,
where they're on it.
That big hotel. I didn't know you could see that from
Oh
there.
wow,
Cool.
that's so cool. Nice.
I was like, what's that boat thing up there?
It looks like a spaceship.
Boat submarine.
Looks like a spaceship.
That's cool. Look, this is the coolest thing I have ever seen
Ever?
in a hotel. They have premium filtered drinking water on tap.
Oh, no way. Wow.
Look at that. Instead of giving you water bottles, you can just got it right there. I've never seen that before. And that's the first time. That's awesome.
Love
I'll
that.
stay super hydrated with this. I'm so excited.
Don't waste it. Ooh, they have Dove. Yes, yes. I love when a hotel has Dove. That feels like such a splurge when you're traveling with just a backpack. That Dove is really a luxury.
Yeah. Normally we have like hard hand soap. They just make hand soap for everything. There's hand soap for your hair, hand soap for your
Hand
body.
soap as shampoo. That's probably why my hair always is I mean, it looks okay right now, but sometimes the texture of it is not the greatest, but should be good here because there's dove. All right, well, welcome to Singapore. We'll see you in the next one once we're out doing something in Singapore. But right now we're gonna take a nap because we're tired.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Bed feels soft too, surprisingly, for an Asian bed.